This is what's required to do the lab conservation of energy for a falling ball. Now in the experiment, it calls for using a baseball or a tennis ball or a basketball or something like that. I'm going to be using a golf ball because golf balls have really good elasticity, and in order to account for the fact that it's relatively small, I'm going to be putting this motion sensor here on the cart mode. That said, the setup is relatively easy. We have two spanning bars, we have this, we have a T-thing to mount the bars together to hang off the edge, we have the motion sensor, and obviously we have our golf ball. The procedure is to mount it about 1.5 meters off the ground, then release the ball from about 20 centimeters or 15 centimeters approximately from the face of the detector. In the next video, I'll show you how it's set up. This is the setup for the experiment. Now what I've done is to use a meter stick to measure the height from the ground up to the face of the detector, which is 1.5 meters. Measuring 20 centimeters down from the face, you'll place your golf ball. Turn the apparatus on and let it bounce. Now, you may have to do this a number of times if your ball has a tendency to bounce off at an angle. You want the bounce to return, preferably straight back up the path that it came. Somewhat like that. Now, you'll be doing a total of 3 runs. Each time taking your data and looking at the comparison between gravitational potential energy and the kinetic energy of the ball.